What if I told you there was a YouTube channel that went from 0 to over 70 million views and more than 200,000 subscribers in just 2 months with only 33 videos? Sounds unreal, right? But it is completely real, and the channel is called Hominid History. This channel is absolutely dominating right now by posting cinematic AI-generated videos about early human life, showing how our ancestors survived millions of years ago, protecting their young, fighting predators, and surviving harsh natural conditions. Their most viral upload already passed 30 million views in a single month, and almost every other video has millions more. So what is their secret? Here is the crazy part. They have no voiceovers at all. Yet the videos hold attention with pure visual storytelling, deep sound design, and emotion that keeps viewers watching from beginning to finish. And with the engagement they are pulling, this channel is easily making $50,000 or more every single month. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same kind of cinematic prehistoric videos using free AI tools, even if you are starting from zero. And trust me, if you follow every step until the end, you will know exactly how to do this from start to finish. So stick around because you definitely do not want to miss the final steps. Now let's get into it. The first step is getting your perfect topic or title for your prehistoric story. And this part is super important because your topic sets the tone for the whole project. To make it simple, I have already created a Google Doc with ready-made prompts that you can copy-paste and customize to get unlimited viral ideas for this niche. The link is right below in the description, so go ahead and check that out. And real quick, if you are still watching, do me a favor and hit the like button because it really helps this video reach more creators trying to grow their channels with AI. Now let's break it down. Head to the Google Doc, copy the topic prompt made for the prehistoric storytelling niche, then open ChatGPT, paste that prompt, and make one small edit. Type in how many video ideas you want, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of powerful, unique titles built for this niche. Review the list, pick the one that fits your channel and your storytelling style best. These AI-generated titles are designed to grab curiosity and boost your click-through rate, so choose wisely. Now that you have your title, let's move on to the storyline. This step is optional, but it can really help if you ever want to add a voiceover later. Go back to the Google Doc, find the storyline prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then make 2 quick changes. Add the story length in minutes and also the number of the video title you picked earlier. Then hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full, engaging storyline perfectly written for your topic. If you want to add voiceovers later, this script is perfect for that. But for this tutorial, we are focusing on the cinematic no voiceover style, just like Hominid History uses, because that is what makes it feel immersive and powerful. Now we need to generate the video scenes. So before creating the clips, we first need detailed video prompts. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the video prompt template. Paste it into ChatGPT and edit one thing. Type how many video prompts you need based on how long your video will be. Then hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly produce a full list of scene-by-scene prompts that describe every shot from beginning to end, each one written to fit the prehistoric cinematic theme. This is what you will use to feed your AI video generator, and trust me, these prompts make your visuals look like movie scenes. Next, let's create the actual clips. Most creators in this niche use Google V3 because it looks incredible, but since that version is paid, we'll use Google V2, which is completely free and still delivers amazing results. So here's what you do. Go to Google AI Studio, log in with your Gmail account, then click the menu bar and select Generate Media. You'll see a list of AI tools. Click V2 and it will open the creation interface. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first video prompt, paste it inside V2 and click Generate. The AI will begin creating your cinematic clip. This might take a minute, so be patient. Once it's done, preview the video and you'll see how realistic and atmospheric it looks, perfect for this niche. But remember, Google V2 doesn't include sound or ambient audio like V3, so we'll handle sound later. For now, just repeat this process for all your prompts until you have all your clips ready.
Okay, sorry guys for pausing this video, but just give me 1 minute of your time because I want to reveal to you a secret AI tool creators like the Zenith Studio and AI Trends are using to create faceless tutorial videos without ever showing their face. Few months ago, I started this channel called Cam AI, but because of I am a student and with other stuff that kept me busy, I was unable to stay consistent on my YouTube automation tutorial videos, and just like that, this channel kept on dying. I came across channels like the Zenith Studio and wondered if I could use AI avatars as a representation of me when creating my automation tutorial videos. But I kept on searching on YouTube, which tool can I use to create this AI avatar, and I didn't find any perfect tool. Finally, I made my own personal research and I found this tool called OpenArt AI. This tool is the best AI tool ever because it allows you create your own AI avatar and animate it in that same platform. It also gives you free access to other popular tools like Nano Banana, Bio3, Clinch AI, and other cool tools that allows you animate your YouTube videos and AI avatars without you ever turning on a camera. And today I've grown my YouTube channel from 0 to whatever number it is right now. And let me know in the comment section below. I recommend you to try out this tool because creators like the Zenith Studio and AI Trends are making so much money on YouTube right now. I can't wait to monetize my YouTube channel too. If you want to join this platform, you can check out the link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, and when you subscribe using my link, you'll get 60% discount on your first subscription. Thank you very much, and let's get back into our main video.
Now let's move on to sound effects, because this is what makes your video come alive. Go to 11 Labs, create an account or log in, then click on Sound Effects to open the sound creation section. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a sound effect prompt for each scene. It will give you short, descriptive prompts for every clip. Copy the first one, paste it into 11 Labs, and click Generate. Within seconds, you will get multiple audio samples that match your scene. Listen to them carefully and pick the one that feels the most realistic. Repeat that for each clip until you have a full set of ambient sounds. This step takes time, but it's worth it because the sound design is what separates average AI videos from professional cinematic ones. When the sound matches the visuals perfectly, viewers stay hooked. Alright, now we're going to bring everything together using CapCut. This part is where the magic happens. Open CapCut, click New Project, and import all the clicks in order so the story flows naturally. Change your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, widescreen, then stretch each clip to fill the frame completely to remove any black borders. And here's a pro tip. Take one of your most intense moments, maybe a predator attack or survival scene, duplicate it, and move it to the very start of your video. Trim it down to about 5 seconds to grab attention instantly. This trick works great for retention because people want to see how that moment happens. Then go ahead and import all your sound effects and line them up perfectly with each matching scene. Take your time syncing everything because even a tiny delay can break immersion. Once that's done, click Effects, then Video Effects, and browse through the cinematic options. Pick the ones that match the prehistoric vibe, like fog, dust, or warm lighting, and drag them across the timeline for a consistent cinematic tone. Watch your video from start to finish, make adjustments until it feels smooth, then click Export, set it to 4K resolution, and download your masterpiece. Now let's finish strong with the thumbnail, because this is what gets people to click. Go to Google Image Effects, log in with your Gmail, then open Settings and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails. Next, open the Google Doc again and copy the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit Enter. In just seconds, you will get a fully detailed thumbnail prompt written for this niche. Copy that prompt, paste it into Image Effects, and click Generate. Within moments, you will get 4 beautiful thumbnail options. Look through them and pick the one that pops the most. Download it, and you're done. And that's it. You have just created your own cinematic, AI-powered YouTube video from start to finish using only free tools. You learned how to pick viral topics, generate stunning scenes, add immersive sound design, edit like a pro, and create thumbnails that pull clicks. If you made it this far, drop a comment that says, "I am ready to create." And make sure you subscribe because I have more tutorials coming that will help you grow your channel faster than ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.